Hello, I welcome you all in this course on power plant engineering. Today in this lecture 3 we will discuss development of power in India. Topics to be covered. By the end of this lecture you will be able to learn history, power development in India, growth of installed capacity in India, zones in India, plant outlay for power project. History. The history of power development in India dates back to 1987 when a 200 kilowatt hydro station was first commissioned at Darjeeling. In the early years, most of the electricity supply facilities were privately owned and catered to the needs of large towns and cities. The majority of the earlier power stations comprised diesel generators. The first steam station was commissioned in Calcutta in 1899 with a total installed capacity of 1000 kilowatts. First 2 decades of the 20th century, I drawn a table divided into 4 columns. One is year, another one is the type of power station, and the third one installed capacity in kilowatts, and fourth one location. See, in 1920, type of power station, steam power station, installed capacity 2170, 9000 and 15,000 kilowatt, located at Kanpur, Madras, Calcutta. In 1902, the power station is hydropower, installed capacity 4500, located at Sivasamudram in Karnataka. In 1907, again the power station is hydropower station, installed capacity 3000 kilowatt, location Mohara in Jammu and Kashmir. In 1911, the type of power station is hydropower, installed capacity is 500 kilowatt, the location Simla in Himachal Pradesh. In 1914, the type of power station again hydropower station, installed capacity in kilowatts 1550, location Gokak Falls in Karnataka. In the year 1915, the type of power station is hydropower station, installed capacity 40,000 kilowatt, location Tata Hydro in Mumbai. After 1920, before 1950, again here I mentioned with the table, by the end of 1920, type of power stations are hydro, thermal, diesel. The installed capacity 7456 megawatt, total is 130 megawatt. By the end of 1940, again the type of power station installed is hydro power station. Installed capacity is 1208 and total megawatt is 1208. In 1941-1950, there is a second world war and a partition of country. Due to these reasons, a full of stress and strain will be occurred. See, now March 1951 onwards, planned power development in systematic manner. See here the type of power station hydro, thermal, diesel. Installed capacity 560, 1150 megawatt. Totally it will be 1710 megawatt. So the installed capacity and finally the installed capacity in self-generating non-utilities was 590 megawatt. So what is here non-utilities? Is a generator, non-utility is a generator, we can call it as NUG, is an entity that is not a public utility but owns facilities to generate electric power for sale to utilities and end users. See now the first 5-year plan from 1951 to 56, the installed generating capacity increased by 1100 megawatt, bringing the total capacity of 3400 megawatt at the end of total plan. The generation increased from 7514 million kilowatt hour to 11872 million kilowatt hour. Now we are entering into the second 5-year plan, that is from 1951 to 1961. The total installed generating capacity increased to 5700 megawatt, comprising 3800 megawatt of thermal and 1900 megawatt of hydro, against the total target of 6900 megawatt. Target is 6900 megawatt, but we are achieved is 5700 megawatt. The generation increased from 20,213 million kilowatt hour during this plan period. So the first here in the second 5-year plan from 1956 to 61, the first 220 kilowatt line in the country was commissioned during this period only. Next we are entering into the third 5-year plan from 1961 to 1966. The plan was characterized by two important developments based on key infrastructure for economic development and generating capacity can be pooled. See here that what are the two important developments. One is the rural electrification and the next one is the interconnecting power stations. We have to connect the power, that is interconnecting power stations. Additional generating capacity is of 4500 megawatt during this plan period, making the total national capacity of 10,200 megawatt. The generation increased from 36,825 million kilowatt hour during this plan period. So the total investment in the power sector was nearly 3 times the investment in the second plan and about 8 times the investment in the first plan, that is from 1951 to 1956. In this mid-60s, that during 3 years plan period, that also we can call it as plan holidays from 1966 to 1969, these are in the mid-60s. The country experienced successive droughts after the end of third plan. The main reasons, what are the successive droughts? For plan holidays, we are due to the war and the lack of resources and increase in inflation. So the installed capacity increased by 4,100 megawatt during these 3 years period plan, and the total generation increased from 51,642 million kilowatt hour. Now we are entering into the fourth 5-year plan from 1969 to 1974. The total additional generating capacity was only 4,150 megawatt as compared to the 4,500 megawatt added during third plan. During this period, the first nuclear power station was commissioned at where? In Tarapur with a installed capacity of 420 megawatt. The total power generation by the end of this plan was 72,796 million kilowatt. Now we are entering into the fifth 5-year plan from 1974 to 1980. This region-wise breakup of the installed capacity at the end of fourth and fifth plan, the capacity in terms of million kilowatt. During these fifth 5-year plan from 1974 to 1980, there is a region-wise breakup for good development of power. See here the regions are northern region, western region, southern region, eastern region, northeastern region and other union territories. So on see here 31/3/1974 to 31/3/1979. So these are 3 different thermal power plants. One is the hydro, second one is the thermal and third one is the nuclear. On 31/3/1979 again there are 3 different power plants, hydro, thermal and nuclear power plants. And see the how much power will be developed based on the region wise. And finally here utilities total. Along with these regions there will be utilities also will be there. We discussed what is meant by utility in the earlier slide. See this is the see non-utilities total. See here totally 1792 megawatt is the non-utilities total and 1732 is the non-utility during these 1979. So what is the grand total? Grand total is 18,456 megawatt, and see here up to from 31/3/1979 this is 30,955 megawatt power will be produced. So in the upcoming class we will discuss remaining other 5-year plans what we have. That's all for today. Thank you all.